all the chances and opportunities that the EU and EU funds and EU knowledge can help create. And there's many things that the EU can help us with. But basically these funds are usually not for one-to-one relations. That they do not work if you go as one island, one country, one OLB or OLE or OLS to the EU, then probably it will be harder to sign an MOU with France, who also has overseas territories and islands in the Caribbean Sea. Of course, in capacity, people that could come over and help create projects in the fields of climate, economic development, in terms of education. There's loads and loads of topics that the EU can help us with. And we use that knowledge and we use that money a lot when we are working within onze vertegenwoordiger, the permanent representation of the Netherlands in the EU, that is being organized also by other people. I'm very happy here. I'm super happy, of course, that Edison is here. First day in the new job, starting right away. No time to waste, but start with this important project that you are having. Success is not only here being together and sharing stuff, but it's definitely the first project that we're going to be organizing and will be funded by projects that we're going to do together with other EU countries like Denmark and France, who are also in this OTC business, I would say, because they have parts of the world. So lots of luck and have a good time here. Is there any questions or anything you would like to ask? No? Ready to go?
Right, that's all about it. So we go for that. So there's a lot of knowledge to share because there are a lot of experts here in the room. Our second special time. So we are study friends, right? So I'm very proud and happy that I can announce you and that I invite you to come. Forward.
Making history again. Yesterday you made history at the last yes, the Kazakh have a speech, now you make the first Kazan speech. So, how many times do you make history? I can start, kick off with an opening like this, and with a group of all the 6 islands together on this on Bonaire in order to work together, and as the for the economic in Latin America. But anyway, I will keep it short. You can count on me as your special envoy. We've been together, and the CAS islands are much more also welcome to let me know if I can be of assistance to them. I will be more than happy to assist in that. Thank you. Stay with my honor and pride. In order to develop our islands. Thank you very much, and lesson workshop. Thank you.
For what's coming next. Okay, thanks again for the official opening. Yes, of course. Before you leave, that's what I was about to say. We're going outside to the garden for a photo moment, and then after that picture, there is a short break. The State Secretary will leave us because you are going to the Bovenseilanden, I think. Okay, good. To Seba. Thank you so much for being here, and we say goodbye now already to the State Secretary, and we can follow Marco, I think, outside to the spot. Ah, there.